Imagine waking up to the soft lull of ocean waves, the horizon painted in hues of orange and pink. Welcome to Bali, where serenity meets adventure. Begin your day with a plate of nasi goreng, a local dish bursting with flavor and tradition. Then, lose yourself in the verdant rice terraces of Tagalalong, a sight so stunning it feels like stepping into another realm. Don't forget the cultural heart of Ubud. Its art markets and crafts are treasures you'll carry home in your heart. But Bali isn't just about sights. It's about the people, the spirit, the tranquility that echoes in every corner. Whether it's meditating by the ocean or exploring hidden waterfalls, Bali feels like a paradise, tailor-made just for you. Pack your bags. Adventure, beauty, and bliss await you. Subscribe to Destination Travel and uncover more hidden gems waiting out there.